Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your profile section on your accounts on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application as you see, and here, right here, you are on the explore page, and on the bottom under the right you will find me, the profile, your profile. And as you see here, you can manage your profile, you can change your profile picture, you can find the shops, find, and here you find the posts and collects and the likes. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.